NASDAQ Futures market. Market doing a lower low, market doing a higher high, and guess what happens next? 99% of the time, consolidation. We have here, right in the middle of this move, we have a main entry level. We have resistance zones to the upside. We have support target zones to the downside. Guess which side we took a trade towards? Did we bought the market after bouncing, if it bounces off this main entry level? Did we took a sell below that main entry level? Check the video out. It was awesome. I'm gonna say it's the trade of the month. Okay, I spoiled it a little bit that we took some profit. Of course we did, because we follow each step of the legacy futures trading strategy. Here to the left side, Vanlife day traders, of course. Last night a friend of mine asked me, oh, where's La Gatita? Did you brought her to Puerto Rico? And I got a little sad, like, oh, my poor baby, it's all alone and cold in Florida. So this is how I imagine it, all lonely, waiting for Papa. But we'll be there sooner than later. And yeah, this is my Throwback Thursday photo of the day. Check out the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know, oh, I think Ra is gonna buy. I think Saint is going to sell. Either way, it was a great video. Check it out. Hello everyone, Rasen here, Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is still Thursday, March 27th, 2025. It's 12:13 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time. If you saw my previous video, you would guess that I just woke up. I took a trade into the London morning session, and it only took us 2 minutes. It only took me 2 minutes, but I was all hyped up. I made myself what some people say it's the greatest sandwich ever. It was really good. And then, of course, I couldn't sleep because I was all excited about what happened during that session. So it took me a while to get asleep, and oh, I slept like a baby. But we are here now trading the NASDAQ Futures March 2025 contract. We have a 15-minute chart to the left. We have a one hour chart to the right. And let's start with the right, with the 1 hour chart. Okay, we have here a big low here, and actually, if you can see, we had two previous take profit levels. That's a target level. And look how market, we had a high impact news at 8:30 in the morning. Market came down, pop up really aggressively, hit that take profit and bounced right back, went straight up. I mean, we have here 2200 and 19940. That's how many points? 260 points range in a 2 hour range. Okay, then we have market dropping the previous hour, and now we have a bullish run. So we have a higher high, we have a lower low, and a lot of action in between that 260 point range. When I see things like this happening, I don't like trading. Market is just too volatile, and it could go into any direction. Let's go to the 15-minute chart now. We have same thing, a little bit more detailed. We have the low here hitting that take profit level, which is not valid anymore. we have our main entry exit level. Look how market has been reacting around that level throughout the morning yet. Okay, down, then above, then down, bouncing back. So a lot of action around that level. And right now, here's what we have and why I'm not trading yet. Maybe a little later in the afternoon, we might have a really nice setup, but right now, this is just no man's land. Okay, we have a pop, swing high. This could be a retracement, and then market is pushing to the upside. We should have a resistance zone around here. Let's see if market bounces around that resistance and comes back down. What we do have here right now is a consolidation. I am waiting for that consolidation to happen. If it doesn't happen, then market will just keep on going to the upside, which I don't think that's a high probability trade, so that's why I'm staying out. Remember, it's all about probability for me. I love statistics, so probability wise, I don't see it that up there where I would just jump in. I would love to see a consolidation, market bouncing off that resistance zone again, and then pushing lower. So that's what we have right now. No trade whatsoever. And this is very important, what I'm seeing in the 1 hour chart. Okay, market hitting and bouncing really aggressively, then going really aggressively to the upside. Next hour just dropping like crazy, and right now we are 18 minutes into the hour and market is just recovering all that drop. So nothing to do here. Super volatile the market. It could go anywhere. If you want to trade and have a high risk trade, flip a coin, choose a side. Of course, don't do that. Jumping into this type of market would be like playing Russian roulette. You don't know where the bullet is, and I am staying out of it, at least for now, until I see a clear consolidation and a high probability trade. We'll be back if that happens, so stay tuned. Have a great one. Alrighty guys, we are back, 12:26, just a few minutes after the previous video. We're still working on the 15-minute chart, and check out what I am going to do.
Order submitted.
Okay, move is not confirmed yet. I am going to sell 2 contracts here. Whoop. $93. Let me see if I get 93. I like 93. Special year for me. All right. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in at 93. Stop. I mean, this is not the stop, of course, but anyway. And we're gonna have a target way down here. This is gonna be a colossal trade, and you might be wondering, okay, Ra, what's going on here? I'm gonna explain to you what's going on. Okay, at least this is how I see it. Don't go saying that Ra is giving financial advice, because I do not give financial advice. Okay, I am a professional trader, not a financial advisor. We have here not financial advice. Okay, don't go saying that Ra is recommending buying or selling. I am a market analyst and a professional day trader. Yeah, it sounds cool. It's really risky. It's not for everyone, so be careful, guys. Okay. All right. So this is what we have right now. We have. Let me put it here. We have a resistance. Up. Zone. Boom. We have a resistance zone here. Up. 1925. Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Resistance zone here. Copy paste. We have a resistance zone target way up here. This is with the information we have right now, with this price swing to the upside and this price swing to the downside. Okay. We also have a support zone here. Copy paste. Support zone here. Pop. And we also have, this is Ra's Trading School. We have target zone here. Step number 3 of the legacy futures trading strategy is what? Identifying support, resistance, and target zones. We have all of those here. Okay. Now, why did I sold the market? If I just mentioned a few minutes ago that market could go into any direction, it could keep going to the upside. We have a resistance zone way up here. Actually, I am going to place a resistance trend line right here. Market shouldn't go above that resistance line. If market does, I would consider closing my position, and don't do this. This is very, very dangerous. You could dig yourself into a big hole by reversing positions. Oh, market is going against me. I'm gonna reverse my position. I'm in a selling trade. I'm gonna buy the market because market is moving against me. Do not do that, especially if you don't know what you are doing. I took a sell position because, why? Because, ¿por qué? Because I have a main entry level here and I am expecting the market to go lower since last week. And you're gonna say, how do you know it's highly probable that market is going to end up today in the red? It's called price action, understanding how market behaves. So I am expecting a bearish day today. There's a reason for that. So that tipped the balance into the bearish conditions, in my opinion. So, as I say again, if market moves above this is not a pivot yet. It should be. Market should continue to the downside. We have a support zone here, and I'm going to place my take profit, even though we have a target zone way down here. Okay, check this out. We have a low here and a pivot here. Okay, let me do it this way. Let me put it this way. We have a triangle. We have a low. We have a high. We have a high here. Okay. We have a triangle zone there. I don't use this, but I mean these tools that I'm using now, the resistance trend line, supporting trend line, the triangle consolidation zone. This is very basic stuff that I used to use back in the day when I was learning about trading. I don't need those anymore, but I'll use them for reference to you guys. Okay, I have a mini entry level here. Look how market has been reacting around that level. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And I am expecting a continuation to the downside into that support zone. They first need to break that triangle. Okay, triangle area. They should break it. If not in this candle, maybe in the next 15 minutes. This trade could take, it's 12:34. I think that less than an hour, maybe 45 minutes. But market is, in my opinion, it should continue to the downside. This is just my opinion only. Probability, I'm talking too much. Yes, I love talking about trading. I could talk about trading all day long. Actually, I was thinking earlier, I'm like, oh, I'm kind of sad. Tomorrow is Friday. We should be, yay, it's Friday. But I'm not, because Fridays the market closes until Sunday. And then I don't have anything else to do during the weekend. Well, except go to the beach and cook some nice dinner. I found about a fisherman yesterday, so we're probably gonna make some fresh fish. I'll show you that if we do that. And here they go. Okay, this is gonna be an awesome trade. So let's see. We are in at 20.093, and I'm gonna grab. Let's see. We can grab 13. And that would be 93, 13, 80 points, and we have two contracts. That would be 160 points. I just have to do this. Give me a break, because 160 points times 20, that's 16, that's 32, that's $3,200. Doesn't it sound awesome? Yes, it does. My risk into this trade, if we are going to consider risk, for those of you that trade followed risk-reward ratios, my risk is gonna be 60 points, 62 points, that's 124, that's $2,400. And you would say, that's a lot of money. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Do not trade with money that you can't afford to lose. I am a professional trader. So, having said that, Bob, it's just a matter of time. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna sit back and relax here in the beautiful balcony watching the beautiful Parguera Sea, and we'll be back when market is close to my take profit level. You know, I like looking for 10 to 15 points. We have 40 points already, so some of you might say, Rob, why don't you close this trade? I know the probability of this trade is really high, and when you get those, you just jump in. Move is not confirmed yet. Let me explain to you why I jump in. Okay, move should be confirmed once they break that triangle area. Okay, and then, but then you have more risk in your risk reward ratio, which I've told you I don't use, but it's less points, more risk. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna get out of here. I'm gonna pause this, and we'll be back in less than 1 hour. I should be done. All right. See you in a few. Alrighty, market is moving. Come on, baby, just break. Keep on going. After that, recording have a limit of 30 minutes. You have 9 minutes and 52, 51, 50, 49. Oh, sorry. Okay, we are here. Market getting close to that main entry level, and I just want to see market continue to the downside, passing that support zone, and then they are going towards our target level, which is pretty near that support zone. I'm gonna play this carefully. Okay, I'm gonna be following my trade right now. Risk is 0. I would take, if they indicate that they bounce back, which I don't think they will, it's highly improbable, I would take a few points here. So I am not, this is a winner no matter what. Now the thing is, how big of a winner is it? That sounds weird. How big of a winner it's gonna be? We have already almost 50 points. You see how market is reacting at that main entry level. They already bounced here. They should continue to the downside and continue. They are. Come on, break that support zone. All right, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. You know what? This is way more than I usually look for. So I'm gonna close this trade right now. Come on, don't go away, don't go away. Come on. And
Target filled.
Ka-ching! Target filled. Oh yes. Oops. Wait, give me a second. I got too excited. Where are you? Okay, here you are. Sorry, my HDMI cable, it's kind of weird, and it, well, you see what happens when I hit the table. I'm screaming ka-ching, and that hurts. My hand hurts. I hit the table too hard. I have to look for something else to hit when I say ka-ching. Wow, what an awesome trade. I knew it was highly probable. This is all about probability. I do not, what's the name? I have to start writing things down because I keep forgetting. These are not predictions, these are projections. when you understand price action and how markets move. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, check how market is reacting here. That is not unusual. That's why I closed my trade. Okay, you know I have my trading plan, you know I have my trading goals, and I didn't follow them in this occasion. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because I knew the probability of market going to the downside was really high, especially after seeing market bounce off this resistance zone. Have a trading strategy, follow it, and you should be good. I think this is the trade of the month. Well, except that trade that I recovered, the huge loss that I had, and then did make some more. But overall, net, this is, I think this is the trade of the month. Oh yes. We have here, and let me do this. I hope I don't mess up touching the mouse pad. We have here NASDAQ, sell, setup, PAP. We have entry. We have two contracts at 20.093, PAP. We have target, two contracts at 20.029.50. That shouldn't be that difficult to subtract. We have 93, we have 90 minus 30, that's 60, that's 63 and a half, 63 and a half points. I told you already, I'm good at math. Okay, we have total trade, and I'm good at trading too. Yep. 63 points times 2, that's 126 points, which equals one. That's 24. Let me use my calculator. No, I'm not gonna use my calculator. That's 2, 4, and 12. So that's 25, 20. Yep, that's what it is. 2,520 bucks. Why? Because, ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Boom. Now tell me that's not an awesome trade. Of course it is. Legacy futures trading strategy, doing what it does day in and day out. This is a less than 45-minute trade, and let me erase that triangle. Okay, what else can I say? It's a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings. I hope you're having an awesome trading day, and I'm done for today. We got 3 awesome trades today. We have an Asia session trade that we took at midnight. We have a London morning trade that it was awesome, 2-minute trade, and then we have this US afternoon session trade. Boom, 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 3 out of 3. What an awesome and blessed day. You have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, let me know in the comments what you think about this trade, what you think about whatever you want to share with us. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. Remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel. And we have a lot of surprises coming up in April, so I'm really excited about that. And all right, now I'm going to shut up and get out of here. You have a great one. Ka-ching!